again, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description of this combination is got our cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Aviaid GT40 pan on it. Obviously fuel management, Terminator X, great system, Borla, nice setup. Got the Specialties front end on it, blacked out, beautiful deal. Show you how it ran. Already 3,400, 485 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 515, good flat there. Peak horsepower 507, rated at 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. We'll get her off here, get her ready for you to pick up. Have a great day.